Good day, mom and sir. My name is Norma Cain. I am 35 years old from Philippines. I am single mother with three children. My age of children is 12 years old, 7 years old, and 6 years old. I am high school graduate. I have an experience in Jordan Middle East with 2 years. I served them 5 members their family. The adult age is 40 years old, 36 years old, and the children's ages is 7 years old, 5 years old, and 2 years old. My duties is cleaning the house, washing dishes, cooking, washing clothes, ironing, especially taking care of the children. Mom, sir, I am a honest person, trustworthy, patient, strong, especially loving kids. Mom, sir, if you choose me as a nanny, I will promise that I will treat your children as my own child. Sir, mom, I promise also that I will to be good your family, and especially to taking care of your children. Thank you.